And then...
It used the book, you know that, right?
Yes, and then can you do that too? Please?
Do what to? I can't do that because it used the book. I don't have the book anymore.
No, where's my pickaxe?
You didn't give me a pickaxe.
I put it in this.
No, you didn't.
Oh my god. My pickaxe is missing. That pickaxe had vein mining on it.
Don't fucking yell at me, bitch. I don't know how to do
Where's my
this.
pickaxe? I'm gonna fucking kill these penguins.
No,
Frank and Josh are gonna die. What is this? Hakuna Matata. What is that?
I'm gonna TP to the mine to
Hit it, fire gang.
As a matter of fact, I'll bet you $10. I'll bet you 1 Overwatch Battle Pass.
Again. Ah! Ah! Ah!
No. Are you gonna die?
Oh my god, that spider spit something at me. Raw Cheerites. Alright, that's what we're looking for.
Who? No! Oh!
Did my water save you?
Yes.
Let's
Oh
go.
my god, I was so fucking scared.
Go,
What the spruce? I only mind fucking all the orange stuff.
Fuck, I don't have enough. I need one more.
Tragic.
I think.
Well,
You want me to
this
set a
is-
waypoint on this boss thing?
Oh, I wanna go in it right now. I know what to do.
This is so
Drip
funny.
or no drip? Drip or no drip?
Drip as fuck.
Drip as fuck
Do
is
you know
what
what
I'm
this
saying.
guy's little thing looks like? No.
Oh! Oh! Motherfucker, you do not want this smoke!
Would be
Oh, I fucking reloaded my shaders. I'm fucked.
Your ass.
I refreshed my shaders again. I'm going to kill myself. That's it. I'm cooked. Oh my god, I'm cooked. What? What? What did you do? No. What did you do?
This shit don't hurt. This shit don't hurt. This shit don't hurt. This shit don't hurt.
Oh,
You should probably
it's
heal
dark.
up, Johnny.
It's dark.
You might want to heal up a little bit before we start.
This shit don't hurt me.
Beat 'em up,
This shit don't
maybe.
hurt me,
No.
bitch.
No.
I'm not scared of you, motherfucker. Actually, I'm about
They
to die.
disappeared. What the fuck is happening? What the fuck is happening? I did not sign up for this shit. Oh my god, if we fucking die, Jaxon, I'm gonna...
Did I hit you with that? I'm dead.
Don't die. Don't...
Both y'all dead.
I'm up.
Let's kill all these, the boss spawns.
This is the boss fight. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't remember how it works, to be honest.
Oh, I'm fucking lost. Where the fuck am I? Where the fuck am I? Oh my god. No.
Stay in the middle, the middle. He doesn't hit the middle. He doesn't make the middle.
That was fucking dog shit. What? Fuck was that?
Hey, better run. Hey, this is the run. This is the run. I can feel it.
Chest pieces, they have 8 defense.
Hold you. He's gonna air bow attack, and then
But like, here's the trophy.
he's gonna make it go black.
Oh snap! There's 2 chest
Rocks.
pieces. So.
I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Hey, mining. Yes, and fortune 1.
I'm done for. I'm done for.
I'll take all 3.
Watch out, arrows.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Wait, how are you getting hit by his things?
I don't fucking know, but I'm dead.
The ones we got from the boss were sold down.
How the fuck are you not getting hit by his
Oh,
things?
without-
I know his attacks now.
That's cool.
Don't go to the corners of the rooms. You're gonna get poisoned.
Okay, well,
Stay in the middle.
Alright,
He's gonna shoot us with arrows. He's gonna shoot the corners of the room.
yeah.
Get him.
Let's get out of here. Let's go to the next one.
Yeah.
Arrows, watch out.
Let's go back.
Oh yeah, motherfucker. Oh, oh!
Honestly, the rest of the
Get him.
leading
I can't get him. I'm on 1 health.
Alright, eat. He's gonna hit arrows next. I'll take the hit. I'm gonna eat.
So far, the witch has been
Watch
I'm
out,
cooked,
next
I'm
is gonna be
cooked, I'm
rocks.
cooked.
Be careful.
good shit.
This little guy is so funny.
God damn it, I jumped in his fucking shit. Fuck. I can't get any hits on him because he keeps hiding in his fucking gulik, bro.
No.
I had him once.
Just go up this way.
Oh, fuck!
Uh-oh.
Yeah, bro.
Come on, bro. I got it.
They're just right here, huh?
Oh,
Yeah, you
fuck!
stay on that side of the room. I'll stay on this side of the room when he
I'll stay on this side, okay.
Oh my god.
And then whenever he throws the thing, just stay in the middle.
Yeah, whenever he does the poison, stay in the middle. Rocks.
Ah, mother.
George, good sign.
I'm gonna kill myself.
It's that same chest. Let's go.
We're gonna beat this motherfucker today.
It's the guy. Let's go. There he is. Look, there he is.
I'm gonna bring some apples for us. Alright, Jaxon, what do you think we need? Let me know.
Apples. Make apples, golden apples.
We don't have any more apples at all.
I can
gonna bring a
rob
bow.
from your backpack. I didn't know that, bro.
Yeah, you can.
They'll rob your ass.
Damn.
I'm a bite that.
Give me all your money.
And this way. So good. Then. Not this way.
Jaxon, I don't think there's anything in here that'll help.
There's might be potions. Look for potions. See what
You have
potions
one
there
potion of healing. Potion of invisibility.
are. Okay, that guy's gonna kill me.
That's all I got.
Okay. Okay, we need to go right.
Yeah.
Go right. This way.
Jaxon, you're still alive?
Yes, he's half health.
Damn. I did nothing.
I just keep missing my swings. Alright, he got rid of my water. That was like one of my defenses for one of his attacks. Turned it into lava. Little fucking douchebag. Now he shoots fire arrows.
Alright, don't get your dog. There you
You can wait.
go.
I'm on the way.
Okay, so now we can go.
He just
We need to
healed
find the
himself.
bed, so-
He deadass just healed
He
himself.
just killed himself?
Now what do we need?
He healed? No
Yeah.
way.
Oh
There
god.
it is. It looks like.
It's a good hill. So
Is it dark green? The color?
I can't remember. But I know it's like a.
You're Johnny. Not Frank.
I'm out of bread. Hey, you think you could run over here and spawn in while I'm fighting him? And bring me the bread or something?
I'm trying. I have food. I brought food. Whatever food was in the thing, I brought it. MBs, guys. I'm gonna be
Hurry up,
starving
hurry up,
for-
I'm gonna die. Hurry up. Hurry up!
I'm not gonna make it there in time. I'm not gonna. Stop yelling at me, okay?
I almost just died in lava. I need you to.
Not burned too.
Shit.
Oh, you went in?
Accidentally. Watch out. Move
Oh
back up.
shit.
And then the Yeti is in an ice biome.
May have found a Yeti.
Oh yeah.
Either Yeti or.
Oh
When
shit.
you hear that bubble up, just throw your shield up. You have a shield.
The
Ice
Yeti's in an ice biome. Oh. You're probably in the.
You said that bubble noise? Throw my shield up, okay?
Yes, that noise right there. Watch out, corners. Stay in the middle. He'll move eventually. You just gotta wait it out. And if he hits you with the fire arrow, don't jump in the water. It turns to lava.
Dead as fuck.
In the wrong
This motherfucker.
Poison
No,
arrows.
I just found the
watch out.
second uncrafting table, Johnny. You didn't do very. You
Arrows?
didn't look very hard.
I know, I didn't look this time. Last time we were playing this.
Don't step in the corners. I don't know what the red stuff does, and I'm not trying to find out.
Right.
This
On
one-
God.
400 meters from the house.
That's good. He doesn't move. He just stay behind the pillar.
I'm gonna die to them shits, to be honest.
I'm gonna go south of the house to see if we can't find
Yeah, bitch, I'm sick of your ass.
Oh my mama.
I have a heart and a half.
You got any food on you?
No. But it's okay. This motherfucker finna die. Ooh. No! You bitch! That's okay. I'm on the way.
I found a swamp. Okay.
Alright, bet.
How did that hit me, bitch?
Just so far from the house. Like,
Yeah.
I'm $1,600 from the house. That's because I still have to go out.
Hold up. I got shot with the inventories.
Found it. I found the thing.
Use your remotes. Wow, you can.
What do I need?
I just dumped.
But he's not.
food
But he
in
can't
there.
catch on fire. That's some bullshit, bro.
What food? Or what? Steak?
Really?
Nah.
On God, I just threw his ass in the lava and he didn't die.
That was lame. Are you good on health? Hold on. Oh shit. Oh shit. Them bees.
Alright.
I found it. I'm gonna.
I don't know why some of my clicks don't fucking
you gonna
do
drop a
anything,
waystone?
bruh.
Waypoint.
Same for me. I thought I was the only one. I thought it was just I had bad aim.
Alright.
I mean, I do have bad aim, but oh my mama, I'm finna die before I even get there. I'm finna kill myself.
Bad. Aim. Bad.
And this one you can't mine through. Oh my goodness.
No,
Are you getting shit on?
no, but I have no food. I'm low health, but this dude's fucking low health too.
There's some pump. Oh, it's too late. Never mind.
I'm gonna kill some fish.
This one's like a literal maze. Eric.
It's called the labyrinth.
Yeah,
Is it
whatever.
not?
Hey, mama.
You
Oh my goodness, I just got blown up.
got
scared.
blown.
Excuse me?
Up. You didn't let me finish, you see.
You left it on a cliffhanger. Oh, he's so low, Jaxon. I'm on the way. I'm on the way.
So any of the chests in here, by the way, bro, they're like trap chests, so don't get moved.
Nah. I don't believe you.
Oh my God, I'm the fucking.
There you
greatest.
go.
Jesus Christ.
Listen,
Holy
I helped.
fucking
I
shit,
helped
dude.
a little
That was
bit.
Fucking ridiculous. How do I look?
Oh,
How do I look?
fire.
Dripped out?
W. Dripped out. So cold. Props.
Ugh.
Nah, you're canceled. Overwatch again tonight.
Ow. Fuck you. Stupid pig.
It's Roadhog.
Fuck you, bitch. Hey, dude.
Eh?
Let's G. Oh, I'm almost dead. Let's GTFO, man. Like, let's GTFO, dude.
Swim across.
Catch fire.
We could just swim across. That is a valid fact. But there's that thing. Look at that thing. What's that thing? That does not look friendly. Maya, that does not look friendly. What are you doing?
Listen, man.
That motherfucker's not
I have a
right
saddle. Can I get on it?
There. Yes.
Pause. Big pause.
Get on it. Pause.
Okay, move. Pause. Oh my spruce. Please help me. Please. I got this. I got this.
Drink potion. Oh, look. Good luck, bro. Oh, hey, real quick on
That motherfucker
on
took
Minecraft
my
Wiki.
saddle. What a fucking
Let me hit up the
bitch.
owner. Let me hit the owner. Get the fuck out of me.
Fuck.
Let's go.
I'm dead. You fucking.
I said, let's go.
Motherfucker, I was already half a heart trying to fucking
Then
fight
I
for you,
did,
bitch. You were still
motherfucker.
there.
The point was for us to go and leave.